Phoenix, bro. Again.
I don't know.
I think.
But
I mean, I think Phoenix this time, bro.
Phoenix is hungry.
Why
Phoenix
did
is hungry.
Clip went up there to go get some advice? Go get him, coach.
Yo, who's spectating right now?
Who's on the spectators list?
Yeah. And
I
can you
don't know.
see? Can you toggle through? Let me know if you can see.
Check.
Yo. Yo, who's spectating right now? Magic,
Me.
are you spectating?
Me.
I am.
No, I can't fucking
Okay. Can you cycle through the
Okay,
both players?
You can't. You say you can't.
Never.
No.
Let me Google it, bro. I'm gonna Google it.
Yeah, I put it on free, and I put on third person.
Oh, I
check.
did free as well.
Oh, you
I
could
just hit
look.
F. I just hit F and I could fucking zoom around.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then that's fine then, right?
No.
No, you want it the other way? Okay. Let me see.
Oh damn, this shit is lit.
What? Luke, you seen it in Codcaster mode?
Yeah, I'm just fucking.
Yeah, it's no
zooming.
joke, right? Yeah.
It's lit as fuck. I mean, I've been seeing
Yeah.
them do it in the league.
Mhm.
But this shit is nice. Oh,
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Oh, and you go faster when you hit shift. The camera moves faster.
Yeah, I wish we can have everybody on Codcaster mode.
Motherfucker.
Yes,
No,
you
those are
have.
lit.
They only let a few people drive it.
Yeah, the observers.
Yeah, the actual observers.
Screw you.
Speaking of which, they fired
Yeah.
the observers.
Well, they fired a lot of people.
Yeah. Yo, if you're in Codcaster and you hit like you got an Xbox controller, you hit Y, you can do a top-down view.
Yeah, that's what I'm on right now.
Yeah.
The top line.
Free.
Oh shit, yeah. R.
Yeah,
R
free
if you on
cam-
keyboard. R.
Oh,
Free
R.
cam is
Yeah,
B.
Yo, that's crazy.
Oh.
That's lit.
That's crazy. Hit R. Yo,
Yo,
that's
this
wild.
is like one of the old. This is like old school fucking like.
Grand
GTA.
Theft Auto. Yeah.
Grand
Yeah.
Theft Auto.
Yo, my
for
shit
real.
cut out on the last fucking life,
I
dog.
know, Clippy.
Yeah.
What cutout?
Clip. We were saying that you can just run it back like
Goddamn.
first to 5, bro.
This
If you wanna
cutting
do
out
that.
again,
Oh damn.
Come
Oh, he can
on.
do this.
Yeah.
This shit is fuck.
Hades
Wait.
got chipmunks on an open fire.
Nah, I gotta run it
That's a
back.
play,
man, for
bro.
Sure, I'll run it back.
Chipmunks roasting on an
That game was really
fire.
close.
Yo, Phoenix was checking his corners though. You seen that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
He peeped that.
But Hades is slick because he backs up. He knows that, he knows his borders and he plays the borders.
Well, I mean, that's
And
what you do like a little square map, right? I mean, I was doing
Yeah.
that too. I was just running around the edges.
Yeah, I get. Yeah, but don't do it too much. You understand what I'm saying? Like,
Well, yeah. Well, then I was running straight in the middle of the fucking house too.
Exactly,
Just trying to
exactly.
cut off the funds.
see, Hades is still on the
Phoenix
outside.
gonna get timing though. Phoenix gonna get timing.
Not
What?
that, but you nice, bro. You nice.
What?
You was doing your thing. You nice.
Nah, I ain't nice.
You nice, bro.
I am not nice. Not next to you, motherfuckers.
Ooh.
That's definitely got hands.
Was that moving different? Did I look like I was moving different?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, that game?
Yeah, I say you a little more aggro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know why, right?
Why is that?
Controller.
Oh, you switched up?
Yeah.
As you should.
You went to what? To a controller?
No, I went back to mouse and keyboard. The first game I played
Oh.
was on a controller.
Oh, okay.
12-4.
I've never played on a controller, so I don't know how that moves. Whether it's faster on a keyboard and
Well,
mouse or
certain,
not.
certain settings, the way you turn is not faster. You turn a lot faster on mouse and keyboard, but
Okay.
your aim, you lock on to people.
Nice.
I wish I knew what they were saying inside. I wish I wanted to be tight, bro.
Yeah, you know how Phoenix is too. They be fucking tight. What the fuck?
Right now, I can
Hades was mad at me, bro.
Yo, is that you did him dirty, kid?
I know why y'all
Bagged him too.
Yeah, nigga said, now I know why they don't play with you. I was like, damn, this nigga's big.
Yo, I'm stuck on that aerial view, kid. That's just top down. I ain't even changed it yet.
Now I'm free camming now. I like this out of Phoenix. He got 5 minutes. He got time.
He got time. Yeah.
Mhm.
He's
Tom
like, my
Brady.
last kill.
Mhm.
I like this. Look at this crowd.
Oh, he should have him. He should
Oh,
have him.
oh,
Oh. What is
No,
that?
no, he didn't kill him. He
Smart
didn't kill
move,
him. Oh,
He's gonna fucking mine.
jeez.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
No,
But he let
I
him-
didn't
he-
He
like
didn't
that.
let him get away. He didn't let him get away and go back to spawn.
Yeah. Hold on. What was that? Hold on.
He put a
Let's
mine.
get him up.
It's fine, bro.
You're not-
He thought about it.
All about.
hold on.
How
Yo,
did he even
what's up
throw
with
that? What the fuck happened there?
I don't know, but why'd you put down mines?
Mine.
Bro, with my WASD, I pressed Q by mistake.
So what are we gonna do about
Yeah,
that?
but I turned that off. Yeah, you know what? Hold on. They're gonna run it back. No, they're gonna run it back a quick 5-minute game.
First to two.
Hold on. First to 5 kills.